Good morning. Welcome to a timely and comprehensive update on the latest developments in China's economy. Today is Tuesday, October 8, 2024, Eastern Standard Time. What happened in China last night? Thank you for tuning in to China Finance Morning News. Let's start this beautiful morning as Panda Finance brings you today's headlines. Here are the top financial news stories from China this morning. CITIC Construction Investment reports that during the National Day holiday, A shares remained strong, creating optimistic prospects for the market post-holiday. Futures contracts for the FTSE China A50 reached a record high in open interest. Zhong, Vice President of the Interbank Market Dealers Association, discussed two central bank initiatives aimed at supporting capital market development, emphasizing that this does not equate to the central bank directly entering the market and highlighting the importance of investor risk awareness. On October 8, the combined trading volume in the Shanghai, Shenzhen, and Beijing markets reached 34.835 billion yuan, with the ChiNext index rising by 17.25%. JD.com, led personally by Lu Changdong, launched a new promotional campaign called Midnight Black Wind on October 8, featuring the biggest discounts of the year. AstraZeneca has entered a nearly $2 billion licensing agreement with CSPC Pharmaceutical Group to secure a position in the emerging lipid-lowering drug market. According to the Ministry of Transport, on October 6, the sixth day of the National Day holiday, interregional mobility reached 27.876 million trips, a slight decline of 1% from the previous week but an increase of 5.2% year-on-year, and a 24.8% rise compared to the same period in 2019. Here are the details. The Nasdaq Golden Dragon China Index surged 11.85% last week, marking its fourth consecutive week of gains. With a combination of supportive financial policies, the A-share market experienced a miracle 5 days, quickly moving out of panic territory and into exuberance, returning investor sentiment to high levels not seen in 3 years and to euphoric levels not observed in 4 years, indicating a new phase for the A-share market. Since the start of the National Day holiday, open interest in Singapore Exchange's FTSE China A50 futures has skyrocketed to a record 1.2 million contracts. This robust trading volume reflects global investors managing their China exposure and adjusting positions ahead of the spot market's reopening. Zhong, Vice President of the Interbank Market Dealers Association, stated that the two structural monetary policy tools introduced by the central bank to support the healthy development of capital markets do not involve the injection of base money and do not constitute direct market intervention. He emphasized that it remains a regulatory priority to prevent bank credit from improperly entering the stock market. On October 8, the market opened sharply higher before retreating and then rebounding again, with the ChiNext index achieving its largest single-day gain in history. The total trading volume in the Shanghai and Shenzhen markets reached 3.45 trillion yuan, an increase of 860 billion yuan from the previous trading day, setting a new historical record. Large financial stocks maintained strong momentum, with all 48 brokerage stocks hitting the upper limit. Fintech stocks also surged, with companies like Wealthtrend and Tonghuashan reaching their daily limit. The semiconductor sector saw substantial gains, with over 200 stocks, including SMIC and Huahan Semiconductor, hitting the upper limit. Harmony OS-related stocks also fluctuated upward, with numerous stocks like Fabin Information and Tianyuan Dike reaching their daily limit. Overall, there were significantly more gainers than losers, with over 5,000 stocks rising across the market. By the close, the Shanghai Composite Index was up 4.59%, the Shenzhen Component Index rose 9.17%, and the ChiNext Index increased by 17.25%. According to a source from JD.com on October 7, the company held an emergency internal meeting to launch a limited-time promotional campaign called Midnight Black Wind, led by founder Lu Changdong. The source indicated that this would be the largest promotional effort of the year. The event will kick off at 8 p.m. on October 8, and due to its flash sale format, it will conclude once items are sold out. AstraZeneca has signed an exclusive licensing agreement with CSPC Pharmaceutical Group for cardiovascular drugs, which includes a $100 million upfront payment. CSPC will also be eligible for up to $1.92 billion in development and commercialization milestone payments, as well as tiered royalties. Thank you for tuning in to today's financial news. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.